So guys, first method, open any browser. So type HP, go to www.hp.com. This is officially website. Then click to support and then software and driver. And click to printer, and guys enter model number. Then guys type HP DeskJet 6000. Okay, then choose operating system, Windows 10. If you are using different, so no worry, select right operating system to click to update, scroll down. So you can see first this is software, so and this is required to internet. Okay, internet connection required to driver installations. So this is basic driver and this is offline installer, didn't require to internet to install it. Now ready to install, ready for downloading. After completed, just single click to open. Now this is extracting to data to your system. Then yes, continue. Printer not found, try something else. So if you know the printer IP address, so you can select this, and if you connect to printer by cable, so connect to cable to laptop to your printer, and then automatically data next to install it.